How to change voiceover language in Diablo Immortal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you're playing Diablo Immortal and want to change the language used for character voices and dialogues, then you can do it super simple and easy. Firstly, open up the Diablo Immortal game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. Now you'll see this expanded menu where you need to click the gear icon at the top right, and this will open settings. Inside settings, go ahead and look for the General tab. Under General, go to Voiceover option and tap the globe icon right next to Voiceover under Language. Now, you'll need to download the VoiceOver packages. Simply select one of the languages you want to use and tap on OK, and the download process will begin. Wait for the download to complete, and once it does, you can apply the new language option. So that's how you change the voiceover language in Diablo Immortal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.